bomb. Bomb, bomb, bomb. Take that. Very tender. Very. Come on now.
Season YAYA'S catering, original spicy blend. I really put that on everything. YAYA'S catering, original, that soul food spice. Only seasoning you need to have your food taste right.
What is poppin', my YouTube fam? Welcome back to the channel. On the menu today, you guys, really quick and simple. I have me two little cute chuck roasts right here, and that is what is on the menu. On the chuck roast, I didn't rub it in yet, you guys. I, of course, washed my chuck roast off. But what I seasoned my roast with is my all-purpose regular blend, some garlic salt, and some Sazón seasoning. Okay, so this is what the chuck roast is looking like before I rub my seasoning in, y'all. And right here, what I'm going to do tonight, you guys, I'm going to cook them in the crock pot. I am going to cook my roast low and slow in the crock pot. I'm going to have it on low. I'm going to let it cook like overnight. And baby, woo, 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 woo. Now, let me tell y'all why I'm doing it in the crock pot, y'all. Okay. Because it's summertime here and I'm not trying to have that oven on all day tomorrow. That's one of the main reasons why we are definitely cooking it in the crock pot. And if you guys remember, if you have been subscribed, then you know we got our crock pot song, y'all. We doing some crock pot cooking today. Some crock pot cooking today. Hey. Hey. Now, who remember that song? Comment down below if you remember. If you don't, listen, learn to love it. So that is our chuck roast. I think I might put some Worcestershire sauce on there as well. I don't know yet. So let me tell you guys, after our chuck roast has cooked for, I don't know, a few hours, then I'm going to come back and slowly incorporate these beautiful ingredients here. We are going to, of course, be adding some carrots and potatoes. I have some fingerling potatoes right here, baby carrots. We got us a white onion. And I have never used mushrooms, y'all, in my chuck roast. But for some reason, today when I was at the grocery store, I was just like, listen, excuse me, guys. I was like, listen, I think I want to, I've seen it before. A lot of people do it. I've never done it, but I was like, I want to see what that's hitting for today. So I will definitely come back and just show you guys the level. Like, I'm going to, chime back in with you guys and tell y'all like, okay, an hour has went by. Now I'm going to add the boom. But it's levels. You cook certain things, it's levels. Now, I don't know if I told y'all what's in this crock pot is beef stock. Okay, this is what I use. Water and the powder. I prefer using the powder. I just love using the beef powder. You could buy the stock if you want, just pour it right in. I don't know. I just feel like the powder has like more flavor. It just has more flavor to me. So I don't know. So you guys, let me rub my beautiful two little chuck roasts down, and y'all know they go shrink. So, I had to get two, because if I just would have cooked this one, I would have been mad. So we're going to rub these down, toss them in our seasoned crock pot water, and we are going to slowly incorporate all these ingredients. Now, I do know the potatoes are going to be added last, and probably the mushrooms too, because I don't want them all mushy. Them onions and them carrots definitely go hop up in that joint pretty soon. I'll probably let it go for maybe 2 hours or something like that. But y'all, I'll keep y'all posted. Just relax, okay, guys, and stay tuned. Y'all, that whole time I thought I was recording. I was so mad. I thought I was recording that whole time. I'm just chatting away. I'm mad about that. But y'all, Oh, I'm mad. My 2 chuck roast pieces is in here, nice and seasoned. I put half of my white onion in here. That's what it's hitting for right now. We're gonna cook it on high for like an hour and a half, 2 hours. With just this. And then after the 1.5, 2 hours, we are going to add in the rest of our veggies, which is the other half of our white onion, our mushroom, and our carrots. Y'all, let me know in the comments if y'all ever added portobello mushrooms or any kind of mushrooms into you guys chuck roast. I just feel like it's gonna be hitting when that gravy, like that gravy, that rice, the mushrooms, that chuck roast. I don't know. I feel like it's gonna be hitting. Now, the potatoes we still have to wash off and slice in half, and these are going to be added at the very probably last minute. Okay, I do not want no mashed potatoes in my roast. So as always, I would keep you guys posted, okay, on the levels, okay, levels. I'm, of course, going to be checking for flavor, checking for seasoning. You know, I like to season as I go with certain dishes. So, and this is just like one of them, y'all. But as fires right now is smelling really good already. I think I may even add in a little bit of minced garlic. Not right now, but I may add like a tablespoonful. I don't know. I like to play with flavors a little bit. But you guys, I'll keep you guys posted to let you know what it's hitting for Sunday dinner. About to be good. Sunday dinner. About to be good. Sunday dinner. All right, my YouTube fam. I went ahead and made you guys a plate. So let's run through it real quick. This is the roast and rice. I do not like a lot of gravy, you guys. So that's why you don't really see a lot of gravy. But that's the roast and rice. Then we have some barbecue wings. Random. Listen, y'all. Long story. Yeah, we got some barbecue wings on the grill. Off the grill, we got some broccoli and cheese here. Delicious. A cornbread muffin. So this is dinner. Like I told y'all, I left it on slow overnight. Once it was done early in the morning, I checked it for seasoning, added more seasoning to my liking, added in my finger-length potatoes, and voila. So let's get into it just to show you guys how tender the roast is. That's a fatty part, but like, as y'all can see, shredding right apart. Let me get up in there, and it's bomb, y'all. Bomb. Take that. Very tender. Very. Come on now. And y'all, I like the fatty ends. A lot of people don't, but I like the fatty ends. But y'all, falling apart, shredding apart, y'all. It came out great. So, this is dinner, and yes, we are having double meats. Don't worry about us. Worry about you. And as always, I cannot wait to see you guys in the next video. Everybody stay safe and stay blessed. Mwah.